looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair, silk press my hair without damaging it, and make sure that my hair is properly protected from this heat that I'm gonna apply to it right now. So right now I'm just going through the blow dryer, getting out all the water from my hair in preparation for this silk press on my relaxed hair. Okay, and for a long while, first time I used to silk press my hair without protecting it with the proper heat protectant, but on this hair journey I told myself that your girl gonna have to protect her hair from heat whenever I'm applying direct heat to my hair. So I'm just making two parts so that I can properly manage my hair as I go through the process of flat ironing it. And of course, what I'm using to protect my hair is the heat protecting serum by Cantu. This smells so great, guys. Smells so lovely, and it also, I don't know, but the heat protectant also gives your hair this nice feel and look when you use it. So this video is basically repetition, so just keep on watching and wait for the big result. You guys have seen a preview of the result at the beginning of the video, but this was a soothing experience. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, keep on watching. And y'all, don't mind me changing my clothes like 3 times in this video because the first time my hair was washed, my clothes was really wet, so I had to put on the black top, and then I recognized that the black top is too close to my hair, and then after this you're gonna see me in a different color top, which is a red top, which shows my hair much more better for y'all to see. So that's why I have on 3 different clothing in this video. So yeah.
I know what I'm looking for.